Today we are going to talk about something that everyone is talking about.
The jobs that AI will take over.
Stay tuned until end of the video because we are going to talk about the 40 jobs Microsoft says AI might take over.
And the way that AI will change the kind of work that people do. Some jobs might be completely replaced and some others AI will assist.
Welcome to Take That Time.
My name is Reza.
And I'm Vida. Let's get started. Let's begin with the jobs that AI is already good at, like data entry. So AI can process piles of forms in a second.
And customer service chatbots. You might have talked to one of those before, even without realizing it.
Or translation and transcription too. So real-time subtitle already possible today.
That's correct. Now there is a part that actually surprised me. AI can actually be creative.
It can write blog posts, it can compose music, and even image to video.
That's right.
In tech, AI can analyze data, find patterns, and even write chunks of code.
In manufacturing, AI can actually predict when a machine is about to break before it actually does.
Interesting.
Let's now take a look at the role of AI in the physical world, such as in warehouses where robots taking orders.
Or self-driving cars that delivering groceries, or AI reading x-rays, or farm robots basically harvesting crops. In near future, AI can draft legal contracts.
In finance, AI can act as a personal financial advisor.
Or even teach you calculus without making you cry. But let's be clear, some jobs will probably AI can only assist, not replace.
Doctor, judges, and those kind of jobs that requires creativity, human empathy, and judgment. Those are hard to be replaced by AI.
Now let's talk about the study that Microsoft researcher did on 200,000 real conversation with Copilot and ranked jobs based on how likely AI will take them over.
So they use a metric called applicability score. So the higher the score means it is more likely that AI could replace that specific job or potentially do most of the job by the AI.
The 40 jobs are most vulnerable. Roles that deals with lot of information and communication, like translators, DJs, travel agents, riders, and even some teaching positions.
Some specific examples are data scientists, web developers, both in the area of computer science. You have a sales representative and telemarketers on the list. So the list is long, so we have 40 of them here, starting from the interpreters and translator, historian, passenger attendants, and so on. So we are going to provide a link to this document within the video description so that you guys can take a look at those 40 vulnerable jobs that are threatened by the AI.
And please let us know if you have any question. On the flip side, jobs least affected are mostly hands-on, like nursing, painters, and even roofers.
Or maybe handyman, or somebody that handles the hazardous materials.
Exactly.
The takeaway is that AI is moving fast in knowledge work, but the jobs that are still require physical presence or physical touch, or human empathy or judgment are still safe.
For now.
For now. So the question isn't that which job AI will take over.
So instead of fearing AI, let's learn how to work with it.
And let's learn how to adopt and make AI work for us. Question for you. What job AI shouldn't take over? And overall, what do you think about this topic? And how do you feel about that?
Drop your thoughts in the comment. We would love to hear from you.
And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more Tech Talk. Thank you for watching.
Bye for now.